so pretty. Good job. I think you inspired me to make one. Yes, please do it. I just want to share this, the photo of my niece. How to say, actually this is for her. I made, she's like younger than me, of course, and but I made it really a bit larger for her size because I want her to be able to wear it for a long time. And there's a little bit story about it. See on the sides, you will see actually it's on the neckline here. I added a black lace. So you might think, okay, it's just a black lace, but it belongs to a dress worn by her grandmother's grandmother. So my boyfriend's mom kept it because she said her grandmother dresses really nicely all the time, and she thought it's such a pity to just throw away her dresses. So in the end she kept those laces, and some of, like, she would cut, because that's what her grandmother did as well. Like, she would have a few pieces of her beautiful clothes. Before she throw them, she will take off the embroidery, she will take off the lace. So she did that. So she has a lot of those things. And in the beginning she gave it to me like, Chang Maris, you can do whatever you want with them. And I thought, it should run in the family, so I thought I would give her for her birthday, and she was so happy with it. Actually, like, for a young child, a kimono is like something different. Like, I don't know, it's a different vibe for them, for her. So she felt really happy. And then I told them the story that the lace belonged to her great grandmother. And somebody gave her like a gadget or something, and the dad was joking, this belonged to your great great grandfather. I thought that was funny. But anyway, I thought I'd share. Thanks for commenting. Au revoir.